Welcome to the flower song. Let's sing and play all day long. A for aster, purple and neat. Sing with me, aster, aster, aster. B is for bluebell, pretty and blue. Sing with me, get bluebell, bluebell, bluebell. C is for chrysanthemum, fluffy and bright. Sing with me, fair chrysanthemum, chrysanthemum. D is for daisy, bright and white. Sing with me, low, daisy, daisy, daisy.
E is for edelweiss, gentle and nice. Sing with me, edelweiss.
F is for freesia, fresh in the air. Sing with me, freesia, freesia, freesia. G is for gardenia, gentle and white. Sing with me, gardenia, gardenia, gardenia. H is for hibiscus, happy and red. Sing with me,
Hibiscus, hibiscus, hibiscus.
I is for iris, purple and bright. Sing with me, yam,
Iris, iris, iris.
J is for jasmine, sweet and bright. Sing with me, jasmine, jasmine, jasmine. K is for calancho, pink and sweet. Sing with me, wa, calancho, calancho. L is for lily, pure and bright. Sing with me, ha, lily, lily, lily. M is for marigold, golden and bold. Sing with me, red, marigold, marigold. N is for narcissus, shining so bright. Sing with me, loud, narcissus, narcissus, narcissus. O is for orchid, lovely and light. Sing with me, yeah, orchid, orchid, orchid. P is for poppy, red and bright. Sing with me, poppy, poppy, poppy. Q is for Queen Anne's lace, so white. Sing with me, Queen Anne's lace. R is for rose, red and bright. Sing with me, rose, rose, rose. S is for sunflower, tall and bright. Sing with me, or sunflower, flower. T is for tulip, blooming with cheer. Sing with me, tulip, tulip, tulip. U is for ulex, yellow and bright. Sing with me, honey, hun, ulex, ulex, ulex.
V is for violet, purple and sweet. Sing with me, Hallett, violet, violet, violet. W is for wisteria, purple and bright. Sing with me. X is for exeranthemum, pretty and bright. Sing with me, hair, xeranthemum, xeranthemum. Y is for yarrow, white and bright. Sing with me, battle, yarrow, yarrow, yarrow. Z is for zinnia, colorful and bright. Sing with me, why red, zinnia, zinnia, zinnia. Thank you for singing